Arturo Jorge, that's my name.
And my name is Darius Camilla. And we're the slime people. Okay, so we're gonna start playing kind of with slime. I don't know if this looks like slime to you, but it is stretchy enough. No, wait. Put it right there. Right here, we're gonna put the slime right there for a moment. Oopsie, it fell. Okay, look at these glasses. Look at my rockstar glasses. My rockstar glasses.
One turn.
Okay.
Look at my rockstar glasses.
Okay, so we have here a little girl. You throw them on the bed. Okay, here's a little girl. Hi. My name is Taya. I'm the slime people. Okay, here we have a girl.
This is my name. I'm Stars. We're the slime people.
This is a weird girl.
I know. Look at her butt.
Okay, leave the little girl right here. And now we have a little pony.
That's where my...
I don't know if you know her. And it's one of the little ponies.
And where's the another pony? Oh, Pilat. Remember Pilat?
Oh yeah, right now. And then we have this one, Rainbow Dash.
The Rainbow Dash?
I know Apple Dash too. That's my favorite one. And look, we have a shotgun right here.
Yeah, the shotgun goes right here.
No, shotgun goes right here. And then we have a big shotgun that's so pretty.
Oh, look at her butt. Look at her butt.
It's not right there. It's right here. Look at her butt. Okay, so this one is a LO doll, and it changes color, her dress. So cute. And
look at the ninja.
Look at this ninja. And then her water bottle is right here. We just connect them to each other. Look.
How do you do it?
Just sleeping right now for a moment. Okay.
And look at this table.
Look at this.
And look at this.
It's a cutie one.
Look at this.
You throw the shotgun.
Do I get it?
Get it. Look at this cutie one. I really wanted those cutie cars. They're so cute. The cutie cars, and you could go and they go on with some shotguns. I have a lot of shotguns, but look at this one, the treasure. I see you.
How do you know? Here, Lila. Here.
Where?
Here.
Oh, there you go. Oh, and here we have a little boot. I don't know from who, but it is from somebody. And a little flower.
Here, Lila. Here.
And we have this. I like her eyes. Okay. Ooh. And then we have this little cute dress.
Yeah, that dress.
Let's turn it to.
And here we...
Oh, look it! These are twins. I have twinsy. Hi.
Look at
this. Wait. Hi, we're twinsies. My name is Yala. My name is Ila. We're twinsies.
And here's some blocks. Okay, we're starting.
You show them right there. You show them right here.
Here's
right there. Where's the right there?
Here's some blocks. Bye bye.
Right there. Oh, and here's a cute little. Oopsie. Here's a cute little shoe. Look at her. Oh, look at there's an ice cream.
Oh, look at there's a coffee.
You don't put it right there. You put it. You don't know. Go.
Oh, here's my name. Coffee.
You don't move it or else they don't see it.
There. My name is Coffee. Bye-bye.
Oh, and this is a little cutie camera. Hi, I'm going to take you a picture. Say cheese. Cheese.